fuck recipes, you're a better cook than you think. Someone asked me the other day, just give me the general order of what I should be adding to a pan when. Well, here's what I would do. First things first, I would heat the pan. Before you put anything in it, bring the pan up to temperature. Then you're gonna add fat, olive oil, butter, coconut oil. Let that heat for a couple seconds. Aromatics go in. This can be onions, this can be shallots, this can be garlic, this can be ginger. Let those cook down a little bit. Next, you're probably gonna add spices. This is gonna be better if you fresh roast the spices and grind them, but you can add your spices. They don't need much time in the pan before you add your veg or your meat. This could be something like red peppers, this could be sliced carrots, could be zucchini, could be chicken, could be fish, whatever you're gonna do, you can add it. There's this little arrow here because if you wanna brown your meat, get a nice like sear on it first, you can actually do that right off the top and then remove it out of the pan and then add your fat, your aromatics, and your spices. But anyway, once you have your veg and meat cooked, right near the time that you're gonna pull that off of the heat, you're gonna add acid. Could be lemon juice, could be vinegar, whatever you wanna add there. And finally, it's always nice to finish every dish with fresh herbs. It just wakes it up. It kind of makes it a lot cleaner tasting. It really gives it vibrance. So if you follow these basic steps, you're gonna make a dish that's pretty good. Hope that helps.